Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to withdraw your CATS tokens from your CATS Airdrop account to your crypto wallet. So if you were doing CATS Airdrops, then there is a new update for you guys to withdraw your CATS tokens. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you guys how you can withdraw your tokens to your OKX or your ByBit or your BitGet. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our Telegram account. Then we open our CATS Airdrop. Okay, so this is our CATS Airdrop account. Okay, and you can see they have added another function over here. Okay, they have added the airdrop function over here, so we have to click on this. Okay, we have to click on this airdrop. Okay, I have already added my wallet to ByBit. You can see I've added my wallet to ByBit, but I'll be showing you guys how you can also add yours, okay, so that you can withdraw your CATS tokens. You can see I have like 9,000 CATS. Okay, it's not very much, but I'll show you guys how you can withdraw yours too. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click on this airdrop icon here. Okay, so when you click on this airdrop icon, you'll see this feature. Okay, then you click on exchanges. Okay, so when you click on exchanges, then you click on continue. Okay, so you see this 4 crypto wallets over here, this 4 exchanges over here. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your money to BitGet, you have to click on BitGet, and also BitGet is doing a promo for the first 200,000 users. Okay, they'll be sharing 30,000 CATS for you guys if you use BitGet to withdraw your money. Okay, and if you have Gate.io account, so you can withdraw to your Gate.io account. And if you have ByBit, you can also withdraw to your ByBit account. If you have KuCoin, you can withdraw to your KuCoin account. Okay, so with BitGet users, you just have to click on your BitGet, on this BitGet, then you click on send here. Okay, so if you have BitGet account, you click on meow, I have it. Then you enter your BitGet user ID and your CATS deposit address. Okay, so you go to your BitGet account and you enter your user ID over here. Then you enter your CATS deposit address too over here. Okay, so if you want to withdraw to ByBit, you just click on this ByBit, then you click on send here. Okay, then you click on meow, I have account if you have account. Okay, but if you don't have account with ByBit, I'll leave the link of ByBit in this video description for you guys to use to register an account. So you click on this meow, I have it. Okay, and with ByBit you need to enter your user ID, your CATS deposit address, and your memo. Okay, so since I used ByBit, I'll just show you guys how to get these details, okay, in your ByBit account. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to look for the user ID. Okay, so I'll just go to my ByBit account. This is my ByBit. Okay, so I'm in my ByBit account. Okay, so you click on this icon over here. You can see we have some icon over here, so we click on it, and this is our user ID. You can see there's a number over here. That is our user ID. So we just copy the user ID and we come here and we paste in the user ID over here. Okay, so the next thing is to look for the CATS deposit address. So we go back to our ByBit account and we click on this arrow, okay, to go back. Then we click on wallet or assets. Okay, we click on this assets. Then we click on deposit. You can see a deposit over here, so we click on this deposit. Then we click on deposit crypto. Then we search for CATS over here. You click on this search button and you search for CATS. Okay, so you search for CATS and CATS will appear here. Okay, so you click on this, then you choose a Ton network because CATS run on Ton. Okay, so you choose this Ton network. Okay, so you just click OK because they are saying you need both the withdrawal address and the memo to be able to receive your CATS. Okay, so we just copy this address, then we go back to our Telegram account and we paste in the CATS deposit address here. Then we go back again, then we copy the memo and we paste in the memo over here too. Okay, so when we are done filling in the details, we will just click on send. Okay, we will click on send, and congratulations, you are eligible to withdraw your CATS. Okay, so you just click withdraw your CATS. Okay, and you have to make sure this address over here is the same address in your account so that you'll be able to receive the CATS tokens. Okay, so the ending is FPQB. Okay, so when I check, the same FPQB. Okay, mostly this will be the same for all ByBit users. Okay, but the memo won't be the same. Okay, the memo won't be the same because the memo will differentiate whose account the CATS is going into. Okay, so if we use this memo, meaning the CATS will be coming to my account. If I enter someone's memo over there, the money will go to the person. Okay, so this is how you can withdraw your money from your CATS account. This is how you can withdraw your CATS tokens from your CATS Airdrop account to your ByBit or Binance or KuCoin or Gate.io or BitGet. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how you can withdraw your CATS tokens, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.